guys, real quick, I wanted to show you guys how to get some rental store stickers off of boxes. Now this is a little trick that I learned, but I have some warnings with it. All you really have to do is put a slight bit of water at the edge of a paper towel and then slowly go over it. Now you want to do this in a little corner, make sure your box doesn't kind of get messed up, but there are some warning signs with it. Number one, exposed cardboard. Exposed cardboard without the gloss tends to swell and bubble and you'll ruin your box. Make sure that it doesn't have that on there. Some people recommend the hair dryer, some people recommend like Goo Gone, and afterwards you might want to use some Goo Gone on it to get the little stickies off, but as you can see, it's just slowly flaking away. This is for those paper stickers that aren't not the plastic ones, but the paper ones. They tend to flake away, and that's usually been my best luck at getting these things off. I've also noticed too, like I said, you want to make sure you have a high quality good box. Any sort of paper backing is going to swell and ruin the box. And when you use a little bit of water, I mean it is slight water. Less is more, if that makes any sense. I fast forward to this video just so you guys can kind of see me do it. But if you notice, like, this came out great. I did this on a bunch of boxes that I got at MGC or the Milwaukee Gaming Classic and had very good success. I had one really beat up box that I was too afraid to do it on, so I just kind of slowly used the heat gun on it and was able to peel it off. It was a really beat up Star Fox box that I got for Super Nintendo for like $5. But anyways, enough of my rambling. If you guys noticed, like I said, I sped up the video, but it works out pretty well. Remember guys, one man's trash, another man's loot. I hope this video helps you. Take care.